There's a garden made of glass behind the door I never opened. Every petal holds a memory of the words we left unspoken. Sunlight bends through every wall, painting rainbows on the floor. In this glass garden where nothing ever dies, every flower is a moment frozen in the light. In this glass garden I can almost hear your voice growing through the silence, like I never had a choice. There's a bench beneath the crystal tree where we used to sit for hours. Now I come alone and water all these see-through fragile flowers. The rain sounds different here, like a song I used to know. In this glass garden where nothing ever dies, every flower is a moment frozen in the light. In this glass garden I can almost hear your voice growing through the silence, like I never had a choice. Fragile things are worth the keeping. Maybe beauty asks for gentle hands. I will tend this place while you are sleeping, even if you never understand. Glass garden, still growing, still glowing after all.